Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, the lengths of the diagonals of a rhombus are 24 cm and 32 cm. Calculate the length of the altitude of the rhombus. Let A, B, C, D B, C, D be the rhombus and O be the intersecting point. This AC and BD be the diagonals of that rhombus and O be the intersecting point of the diagonals. Let A, B, C, D be a rhombus with AC and BD as its diagonals. We know that the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at right angle let O be the intersecting point of the diagonals. Let AC equals to 24 cm and BD equals to 32 cm. Now OA equals to 1/2 AC, that is 24 by 2, which is 12 cm. OB equals to 1/2 BD, which is 32 by 2, means 16 centimeters. As O is the intersecting point of AC and BD, so OA will be 1/2 AC and OB will be 1/2 BD. Now, in right angle triangle, AOB by Pythagoras theorem we have given that AB square equals to OA square plus OB square. So it is 12 square plus OB square means 16 square. So 144 plus 256 will be 400. So taking square root on both the sides, we get AB equals to 20 centimeters. Hence, each side of the rhombus is of length 20 centimeters. Now, area of rhombus is given by 1/2 AC into BD. So 1/2 24 into 32. So here it will be 12 into 32. Now, area of rhombus is base into altitude. Here we can compare to find the altitude. So 12 into 32 equals to 20 into height. So, height equals to 12 into 32 divided by 20, which is 384 by 20. So, it is 19 by 2 centimeters. Hence, altitude of the rhombus, that is length of altitude of the rhombus, is 19.2 centimeters. Length of altitude of a rhombus is 19.2 centimeters. From available options, we have option C as 19.2 centimeters.